Hi, everyone. Please don't give up. This is going to be probably the hardest time as a YouTube creator because you will probably not see a lot of views as you would have in other months during the year. And I'm going to tell you what you can do and how you can navigate through these slower months to make it easier for you and your business. So, like, the Christmas season is a slower period for a few reasons. Number one, people are traveling, they're busy with their families, they don't necessarily have time to watch YouTube videos, and you probably won't have time, even as a creator, to be on top of it just because you're so busy with your family preparing Christmas and traveling, and you don't have time. You just you want to spend as much time possible with your loved ones. So it makes sense, it's going to be slower for you too. So what you can do, I mean, if you want to keep on creating content, uh, you can maybe create fewer videos but keep your channel active in a way. Instead of creating a video every week, maybe you'll want to create one every 2 weeks, or maybe one for the full month of December. Like a recap video of the year, maybe at the end of December would be a good idea. So you can give, like, the pros and cons of your channel, what you were trying to achieve, what you didn't achieve, what you are gonna work on for 2026, your advice of um, what worked or did not work for the year for 2025. So that could be a good video. Like, if you don't have time to create any content, make that one video at the end of December to sum up your year with the goods and the bads. And that's going to be a great video for people who are going to start their channel. They can take on these advices, and start their channel in 2026, for example. You can, if you want as well, just completely take a break and don't post anything, and just come back refreshed for 2026. And that's not a bad idea. Sometimes you need to take a step back to take then two steps forward. It can be easier to take a break in order to move forward faster and better. So if you take a full break, you can do that. I personally will not take a full break, just because I know that it's so hard for myself to get back to it if I take a long break. But I did take some breaks that were almost a month, and it's so hard to get back into it. I never took a break from creating shorts, but that's because it's so easy for me to create my shorts that I am not gonna stop doing that. So my channel is still active with my YouTube shorts, less active at the moment with my long form videos. So if you're posting shorts regularly, don't worry, your channel is gonna stay active, and that's okay. But yeah, so what you can do, I would recommend you create that one. If you don't want to create any content really, but you want to stay active, create that one video that will sum up your 2025 with the pros and cons. That would be a perfect idea. um, what you can do as well, if you want to start creating a new channel, let's say, or if you already have a channel, and if you can include that within the theme of your channel, then do it. I was gonna say, if you were to start a new channel, maybe start something related to Christmas, holiday seasons. That could be a good idea, because right now it's obviously trending. So anything holiday season, baking Christmas cookies, or wrapping presents, Christmas presents ideas for kids or older people. I don't know, like anything related to Christmas will work now. How to install Christmas lights, for example, that's a super trendy. How to decorate your house with the Christmas spirits. I don't know. So you have a lot of different ideas that you could take on right now for the holiday season and start a new channel if you wanted to. You could also create a channel if you don't want to show your face that is just um, a channel showing just a rendered video or photo, and you have like a music, an ongoing music for hours. Like you probably have seen these types of channels where you see a fireplace with the fire cracking, and that's it, and you see just like some wood burning in the fireplace, and that's all you see for hours, and people love to have that in the background during the Christmas season just because it feels good. There's a background noise. It's Christmassy. People love that. Or I don't know, like a jazzy type of music in the background, and you have like a cozy coffee place. You've seen those channels, like just with some video or photo. Sometimes it's just a photo, a rendered photo, and that's it. It's just there's nothing else. Nobody's talking. It's just the music that's ongoing for hours and hours, 8 hours. So yeah, you can create that. That would be a very easy channel to create. So if you want to get into YouTube, creating a channel, that's a super easy one. And I know it works so good during the Christmas season. You can have as well, I don't know, a channel showing the white snow outside, and you can hear the footsteps on the snow. Like people love that. So yeah, things like that. So that could be a good idea too. So that's only if you want to get started with YouTube right now, or else just wait for 2026. People love fresh starts. So whatever your field is, your theme is, you can start fresh in 2026. Just take a good break, spend some time with your family, because that's super important. It's probably the most important time of the year where everyone gathers together as a family. So unfortunately, I never have that luck to spend my Christmas with my family, whether on my husband's side or my side. We're too far away from both families, and I mean, we can never make it happen. We haven't been able to make that happen for a long time. So maybe one day we'll be able to gather together. But if you have that luck to be nearby your family, or if you're able to travel and gather with them, just spend time with your family, start again fresh in 2026. Think about your goals, what you want to achieve in 2026 with your YouTube channel. Pick a theme and start with that, and just post videos about that theme. And it's going to make things very, very easy. But reflect in December if you need to. If you want to just create one video, just make that summarized video of your 2025 year. And if you want to start a new channel, make it like Christmassy. Start with a Christmassy theme and see how that works, because it's the season. So if there's one theme that's going to work now, it's that. And in 2026, it's going to be all the health and fitness and making money online. They all work in at the beginning of the year because everybody wants a fresh start, and we're all motivated. We're like, okay, this is a blank page now. We're starting with no mistakes, and it's going to be a good year. And we all think that everything is possible until we just give up. But the key is just to keep going. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.